AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss problems on Newton's law of motion part 1. ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను తప్పక మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియజేయండి. Okay, let us go to the today's session, problems on Newton's laws of motion part 1. Go to the first question. A body of mass 25 kilogram has a momentum if 125 kilogram meters per second. What is its velocity? Here they given mass 25 kilogram and momentum 125 kilogram meter per second. Here you have to calculate its velocity. Let us go to the solution. Here given mass m is equals to 25 kilogram and momentum they given as 125 kilogram meters per second and v is equal to question mark. We had to calculate. Momentum is equals to mass into velocity. Momentum they given as 125 and mass they given as 25 into v. So this can be written as 25 into v is equals to 125. V is equals to 125 by 25. Now 25 ones are 25 5s are. So v is equals to 5 meters per second. Therefore velocity v is equals to 5 meters per second. This is the final answer. Here they given mass 25 kilogram and momentum 125 kilogram meter per second. You have to find the velocity. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Substituting values, momentum 125, mass 25 grams, kilograms. Then 25 into v is equals to 125. V is equals to 125 by 25. 25 1 ja, 25 5 ja. So v is equals to 5 meters per second. Velocity is equals to 5 meters per second. Next, go to the next question. Second one. What is the momentum of a person of mass 75 kilogram when he walks with a uniform velocity of 2 meters per second? Here they given mass 75 kilogram and the velocity they given as 2 meters per second. You have to calculate the momentum of a person. Now let us go to the solution. Given mass m is equals to mass m is equals to 75 kilograms and the given velocity v is equals to 2 meters per second. Momentum is equals to question mark. Momentum we have to calculate momentum. Momentum is equals to mass into velocity. They given as mass 75 kilogram and velocity 2. 75 into 2 150 kilogram meters per second. They given mass 75 kilogram, velocity 2 meters per second. Momentum is equals to mass into velocity. 75 into 2. 75 into 2 150 kilogram meters per second. Therefore momentum is equals to 150 kilogram meters per second. This is the final answer. Next we will go to the next question. Third one. A car of mass 200 kilogram is moving with a speed of 20 meters per second. After 25 seconds the velocity is increased by 10 meters per second. What is the change in momentum? Here they given mass 200 kilogram and the speed 20 meters per second. After 25 seconds the velocity is increased. The increasing velocity is 10 meters per second and you have to calculate a change in momentum. Let us go to the solution. Here given mass m is equals to 200 kilogram and u is equals to 20 meters per second. Its velocity is increased by 10 meters per second. Nothing but v is equals to adding 10, that becomes 30 meters per second, and t they given as 25 seconds. So next, now we have to calculate the change in momentum. Change in momentum is equals to mv minus mu. Change in momentum is equals to mv minus mu. Taking m as a common, v minus u. Substituting the values, m nothing but 200, v 30 and u 20. 30 minus 20, 10. That is equals to 200 into 10. So that is equal to 2000 kilogram meters second. So 2000 kilogram meters per second. Therefore, final answer, change in momentum is equals to change in momentum is equals to 2000 kilogram meters per second. This is the final answer. First they given mass 200 kilogram and u 20 meter per second. Next velocity is increased by 10, nothing but 20 plus 10, 30 meters per second. T is equal to 25 seconds. Change in momentum is equal to mv minus mu. M taking common, v minus u. V minus nothing but v 30, u 20. 30 minus 20, 10. 10 into 200, 2000. So the change in momentum is 2000 kilogram meters per second. Next, go to the next one. A 4 kilogram object is moving across a frictionless surface with a constant velocity of 2 meters per second. Determine the force necessary for maintain this state of motion. Here they given mass 4 kilogram and frictionless surface with a constant velocity of 2 meters per second. When a body is moving with a constant velocity, its acceleration is 0. So you have to calculate determine the force necessary for maintain this state of motion. Let us go to the solution. Here the given mass is equals to 4 kilogram and v is equals to 2 meters per second, f is equals to question mark. Here in the question they said that frictionless surface with a constant velocity of 2 meters per second. When a body moves with a constant velocity, when a body is moving with a constant velocity, then its acceleration is 0. So a is equals to 0, that is a is equals to 0. So f is equals to m nothing but they given as 4, a value 0. So 4 into 0, 0 newtons. Therefore final answer, force is equals to 0 newtons. This is the force necessary for maintain this state of motion. When a body moves with constant velocity, its acceleration 0. So F is equals to m into a. M nothing but they given 4. 4 into 0, 0 newtons. So F is equals to 0 newtons. Next we will go to the next question, fifth one. A mass of m kilogram is subjected to a constant force of F kilogram weight for t seconds. Initially, a body is being at rest. Under the action of force, the body moves a distance x meters in t seconds and acquires a velocity of v meters per second, then x is. Here they given mass m kilogram and force F kilogram weight for t seconds and the body is at rest and distance they given as x meters, acquires velocity v meters. Then we have to calculate the distance. So let us go to the solution. Here given F is equals to, that is a kilogram weight. Kilogram weight nothing but can be written as gram force Newton. m is equals to m kilogram. Here F is equals to force, F kilogram weight, nothing but gram force weight here, and time is equals to t seconds, and u is equals to rest, nothing but initially the body is at rest, nothing but initial velocity is equal to 0, and the distance they given as x meters. Final velocity is v. So final velocity is they given as v. Now from this gf is equals to ma, or a is equals to gf by m. From the third equation of motion, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. V square u nothing but 0 whole square is equals to 2 into a nothing but gf by m into s they given as x. This is x. This x. So v square minus 0 whole square, v square. V square is equals to 2 g f x by m. Now we have to calculate the x value. So then x is equals to, or x is equals to, v taking cross multiplication, v square into m by 2 g f. This is the final answer. X is equals to, x is equal to v square m by 2 g f. This is the final answer. Therefore x is equals to v square m by 2 g f. This is final answer. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Go to the next question, sixth one. A disc of mass 20 grams is kept horizontally in air by firing bullets of mass 10 grams each at the rate of 10 meters per second. The bullets rebound with the same speed. What is the velocity with which the bullets are fired? Here they given disc mass 20 grams, and here bullets, mass of the bullet is equals to 10 grams, and each at the rate of 10 meters per second. The bullets are rebound with the same speed. What is the velocity with which the bullets are fired? Here suppose this is the disc. Now we are firing the bullets, and bullets mass 10 grams and disc mass 20 grams. Now we are finding the velocity with which the bullets are fired. So let us go to the solution. Here given mass of the disc, converting mass of disc is equals to the given 20 grams, converting into kilograms 20 by 1000 kilograms, and mass of bullets, they given as each bullet mass 10 grams. So converting into kilograms 10 by 1000 kilograms. Now we are finding the velocity. F is equals to 2n mv by t. F nothing but mg, that is equals to 2n mv by t. Here m is nothing but we have to take mass of the disc. So 20 by 1000 into g value 9.8, that is equals to 2 into number of bullets. Here they given as 10 bullets per second. So 2 into 10 into here mass of the bullet they given as 10 grams, converting into kilogram 10 by 1000 into v. Here t nothing but 1 second. So 1000 cancel. Here 2 into 10 20 cancel. Here 10 v is equals to 9.8. V is equals to 9.8 by 10. So that is equals to, here we are calculating 0.98. So this can be written as 98 in terms of meters, 0.98 meters per second. In terms of centimeters, 98 centimeters per second. Okay, this is the final answer. V is equals to, here we are writing, V is equals to final answer 98 centimeter per second. This is the final answer. So V is equals to either 0.8 meters per second or 98 centimeters per second. Thanks for watching this video.